How to select broccoli? We have to pick a very compact head, cut it into the center, tee off. Hello everyone, I'm Sue and she's Rainbow. Yes, today we are going to make the broccoli stir-fry with garlic sauce. We are going to use our own garlic sauce. It is very easy to do this. If you didn't see the video, please click here. I'll put the link here, but make sure you watch this after this video. So let's get started. Go, go, go! How to select broccoli? We have to pick a very compact head. You can feel it. This is very compact. And also, if you found the top of the broccoli is slightly bluish or purple, that is the good one. You can pick it. Today we are going to make one broccoli. And this leave it for Rainbow. Rainbow, let's do this. Cut it first. We cut it into bite size. The stalk, you don't throw it away, we will eat it. Do you see there is a circle around? This is the hard fiber. Put it off. Like this. Then and put them together and wash together. And the head, we cut it into bite size. In the center part, we cut through it in the center part. Make it into the bite size. We cut the head. Just cut a little and then you can tease off. 好乖乖喎，自己食飯飯係咪啊？好乖喎 Rainbow。好乖喎，媽媽整緊 broccoli， 媽媽整緊呢個西蘭花。See, this one is huge. Then we can cut it into a quarter size. One, and tee off, and cut it into the center part, and tee off. Cut it into the center. Tee off is pretty easy. After that, I'm going to wash it by using this vegetable wash. This is proven to remove unwanted residues like wax, soil, and agricultural chemicals and soak it only 30 seconds. It's very quick, very good. I will put the link below if you want it. So I will be back after I wash it. Okay, let's start to cook our broccoli stir-fried, and we turn on the heat, medium to high. A little oil. At this time, we can add our garlic sauce, homemade garlic sauce. If you didn't see the video, make sure you click here after this video. We put 1 to 2 tablespoons as your desire. If you want more, then you can put more. Turn to medium heat. Then stir a little bit. After you can smell the fragrance, you can put the broccoli in. We can turn to medium heat to high now. Smells so good. If you want spicy, actually you can add a little chili before adding broccoli. Oh. 有水水喎，有水水，有水水，有水水。俾你。Then we can add a little water. And turn to high heat. Cover it with lid. 睇下濕晒啦。We steam it for 1 minute. 你食呢個啊？菜 asparagus 邊個？食啊？咩啊？媽媽都食喎你睇媽媽食。Let's check our broccoli. Ooh! Wow! Do you see the color? Ooh, so nice! We add the water because we want to steam it. And now we can see the broccoli halfly transparent. Now the water already evaporated. We can add a secret ingredient now. What is this? It is mirin. Mirin. Có mì lỏng đó. Có mì lỏng đó. 1 to 2 tablespoons. This is what I'm using. Mirin. It is a Japanese use. If you don't have this, you can use rice wine. But the mirin adds a little sweet flavor in it. Smells so good. Remember now the heat is turned off to medium. Wow. Can add some carrots. Ooh, see, after I add the carrots, the color looks so beautiful. And now we can add sea salt. We put a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Ooh, just stir it. Rainbow. Okay, we are done. Off the heat. Let me plate it. Rainbow. Let me take a dish first. Hey, Rainbow. Rainbow boo. Okay, wait. Okay, I can show you. In this wok, you can't see any water here. We don't want watery broccoli. This is not a good stir fry. The good stir fry should be no water in the wok. Rainbow, I can't see. There is no water in the wok or pan. That means all the nutrition and all the flavor is in the broccoli. Ta-da! We are now going to take the picture and then come back and taste it. Let's try it. Cheers! Very yummy. Không sao? Just 30. Rainbow.